Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your weekly schedule with Dola AI in 2026. A well-organized weekly schedule can help you keep track of meetings, appointments, tasks, and personal activities without feeling overwhelmed. Dola AI can make this process easier by letting you manage your schedule using simple conversational commands. First, open Dola AI and make sure your preferred calendar is connected. Before planning your week, take a quick look at your existing events so you know which times are already occupied. You can start by adding your important events. For example, you can tell Dola, schedule a team meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. You can then add other recurring activities, appointments, or important deadlines throughout the week. Next, organize your tasks around your existing calendar events. For example, if you have a meeting in the afternoon, you can schedule focused work earlier in the day. This helps you avoid putting too many activities into the same time period. You can also create reminders for important tasks.